Good evening. My topic for today of global population and mobility. Definition of terms. Global cities, central size for advanced services and facilities of telecommunication which are necessary for the execution and the management of global economic activities. In those sites cooperate headquarters, tent, center, particularly companies that are operative in more than country. SACIP 2005. Introduction. The global cities. Global cities are key hubs in the global network of the information and capital flows. Their wealth stems from the specialized services that facilitate these global connections. According to SACIP 2005, these cities are critical for advanced services and telecommunication, essential for managing global economic activities. There will the stream of the special services that facilitate these global connections. According to SACIP 2005, these cities are critical for advanced service and telecommunication, essential for managing global economic activities. They often host corporate headquarters, especially for multinational companies. Examples include New York, London, Tokyo, Paris, and Singapore.
These cities are physical space where globalization plays an attracting diverse population and acting as central points for global flows of people, capital, and ideas. Cosmopolitanism, the mixing of cultures and ideas, is closely associated with these cities where globalization effects are felt daily by residents. Global cities both shape and are shaped by globalization as their infrastructure and cultural appeal make them magnets for investment, trade, and tourism. Globalization as a spatial phenomenon. Globalization is inherently spatial, meaning of it occurs in specific physical places, primarily cities, where foreign investment, economic opportunities, and human capital coverage. Cities in turn shape and are shaped by globalization.
Iconic global cities like Paris and New York serve as examples, with Paris attracting tourists and New York playing a pivotal role in international trade. It shares the stock market. Thus, global cities are both essential to globalization and deeply affected by it, serving as vital points where global economic and cultural exchanges take place. General characteristics of global cities. 1. International. First name, military. Paris, London. Active influence and participation in international events and world affairs. UN. Headquarters in New York City. A very large population. A major international airport, London Heathrow Airport, that serves as an established hub for several international airlines. Presence of an advanced transportation system that includes several freeways or a large mass transit network offering multiple modes of transportation. Presence of advanced communication infrastructure on which modern transnational corporation read. Presence of world-renowned cultural institution. Presence of several power and influential media outlets with an international reach. Identification of global cities. In the global city, as SACIP 1996, she only identified 3 global cities, New York, London, and Tokyo, and attempt to define and categorize World Cities was made in 1999 by the Globalization and World City Study Group.
GABA World City or Minor World Cities. 6 point at Amsterdam, Boston, Caracas, Dallas, Düsseldorf, Geneva, Houston, Jakarta, Johannesburg, Melbourne, Osaka, Prague, Santiago, Type, Washington. Well-run global cities. First, very large contribution, London and New York City. Second, smaller contribution and with cultural bias, Los Angeles, Paris, and San Francisco. Number 3, incipient global cities. Amsterdam, Boston, Chicago, Madrid, Milan, Moscow, and Toronto.
Global Minchi cities specialized global contribution. 1. Economic, Hong Kong, Singapore, and Tokyo. 2. Political and social, Brussels, Geneva, Strasbourg, and Washington. Global City Index consists of indicators and parameters used to determine and measure the categories of global cities and who that extent key function as global cities. Global Cities Index uses criteria across 5 dimensions. Global Power City Index. Global Power City Index ranks the major cities of the world according to their magnificent or their comprehensive power to attract people, capital, and enterprise from around the world. In 2011, a report called the Global Power City Index 2011 considered several function areas. Top 10 Global Power City 2016.
In 2016, number 1 kay London, number 2 New York City, number 3 Tokyo, number 4 Paris, number 5 Singapore, number 6 Seoul, then number 7 kay Amsterdam, then number 8 Berlin, number 9 Hong Kong, then number 10 Sydney. Then Global City Index in 2024. 2024 kaya New York, then Los Angeles, San Jose, United States, then Seattle, United States, San Francisco, United States, Dallas, United States, number 7, London, United Kingdom, number 8, Chicago, United States, then number 9, Paris, France, then number 10, kay Tokyo, Japan.
In fact, in Manila, massive shanties are still aplenty despite the skyscrapers above. Apart from these global cities are commonplace. A crime nationally and internationally. Attack in Paris, 9/11 in New York City, crimes in Metro Manila. Summary. One vital aspect of globalization is the formation of global cities. These cities serve as medium to facilitate process and flows while perpetuating the phenomenon of globalization. Several indices were introduced to apply and identify these global cities across the world. Manila, for one, is included on the lower level as global city. Despite this, the other side of these global cities are not hidden and are also known worldwide. The challenge is how to address this other side while these global cities function. Thank you, ma'am.